And last but not the least, 50 Shades of Grey. I don't think I have to say much about it. Take a look at the trailer.
This is just an interview for the newspaper. I just have a couple of questions.
What was he like?
He was polite, intense, smart, really intimidating. Do you have any interests outside of work?
What about you? I'd like to know more about you.
There's really not much to know about me. Look at me.
I am.
All right. The trailer wasn't as exciting as I had hoped it would be, you know, judging from what the book is all about. For all those of you who don't know all that much or who chose to ignore the phenomenon that was 50 Shades of Grey, you can't escape it now on India Post Live. It is actually an American erotic romantic drama film. I don't know how romantic one should really call it. The filmmakers are calling it that, and I really don't understand why they're releasing it on Valentine's Day of all days. But anyway, this is directed by Sam Taylor Johnson and on the best-selling novel of the same name by E.L. James. It is the first installment of 50 Shades trilogy that traces the deepening relationship between college graduate Anastasia Steele and a young business magnate Christian Grey. It is notable for its explicitly erotic scenes featuring elements of sexual practices involving BDSM. Let's take a look at some of the actors who were considered for the role of Christian Grey. Matt Bomer, Ian Somerhalder, Henry Cavill. They all look so yummy. Well, ultimately, Colin Egglesfield, Robert Pattinson. Oh no, but anyway, that's a very personal comment. Charlie Hunnam. In fact, he was finally, his name was doing the rounds the most. Let's take a look at some of the facts regarding 50 Shades of Grey, and I'm sure the guy's name will come up. Sorry, I was a bit distracted seeing these 5 very good-looking men. Okay. Beyonce makes a special version of the song Crazy in Love for the film, which is featured in the background of the trailer. Charlie Hunnam was first cast for the role, but it was Jamie Dornan. Yes, I knew it was a Dornan something. Jamie Dornan is the guy who finally gets to play the role of Christian Grey. Dakota Johnson, the daughter of Don Johnson and Melanie Griffith, was cast as Anastasia. She has qualms about her parents watching her play Anastasia in the movie. In fact, her father is completely against it, and her mother said that the family needs to be supportive. Jamie Dornan has dated actress Keira Knightley in the past and was an underwear model before he became an actor. In fact, let me tell you that he was known as the Golden Torso for all his modeling stints. Dakota Johnson went to rehab in 2007. While it was initially alleged to be a substance abuse problem, Johnson has since claimed that it was related to stress. So these were the 4 films that we had for you. We had Dracula Untold, Mockingjay, Hobbit, Battle of the Five Armies, and 50 Shades of Grey. I have already told you that Mockingjay is the film that I'm looking forward the most to. Please write into us regarding the films that you want to watch, don't want to watch, and why. Send us your posts, your video comments, your tweets at #IndiaPostLive and @IndiaPostLive. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.